Hello, welcome back to my channel, Discover Natural Solutions. I'm Stacy Paulson, and today we're delving into the fascinating world of cedarwood essential oil. Did you know that cedarwood has a profound impact on neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers in your brain? Stick around as we explore how cedarwood can influence neurotransmitters to help you to sleep better, reduce anxious feelings and stress, plus a bonus side effect for hair growth. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the button and let's get started. Before we dive into cedarwood's magic, let's quickly understand neurotransmitters. These are your body's messengers, shuttling signals between brain cells. They come in two types. There's excitatory, which revs up your system, and inhibitory, which acts as the brakes to calm things down. Now, let's see how cedarwood plays into this fascinating dance. Cedarwood has a unique ability to influence excitatory neurotransmitters like adrenaline and noradrenaline, which often put us in that fight or flight mode. Too much of these can lead to those anxious feelings and stress. Cedarwood helps to calm this response. Essential oil blends like Serenity and Northern Escape can be your allies, soothing those effects of these excitatory neurotransmitters. It's like pressing the brakes when you need it most. Now let's take a look at inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA, your brain's calming force. Cedarwood, especially its active ingredient linalool, can activate GABA receptors, promoting a calm and relaxed state. This makes cedarwood an excellent choice for managing anxious feelings, improving mood, and even enhancing sleep quality. Essential oil blends like Serenity and Hygge work synergistically to modulate your GABA response, bringing balance to your brain. Now, moving on to mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, cedarwood has something special to offer here too. Research shows that inhaling cedarwood, along with other oils like lavender and lemon, can trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, contributing to the feelings of happiness and pleasure. It's like a natural mood boost. Cedarwood's positive impact on the dopaminergic system can play a role in managing addictive behaviors and supporting overall mental well-being. Before I share the bonus side benefit of cedarwood and my favorite diffuser recipes, you have to understand that not all essential oils are equal. If the oils you're using are not pure, natural, and potent, then you won't experience positive impacts on your neurotransmitters that I've shared with you. In fact, if you use them and they're not pure, they could actually create greater imbalances. And I'll put a link in the description to a video that explains how to know if your essential oils are pure. Now, if you'd like the diffuser recipes with cedarwood or a reference for what essential oils are best for different health goals, you can go ahead and download my free essentials guidebook. I'll link it down below. It should be up in the cards somewhere here. And here's an added bonus for you that you can receive from using cedarwood essential oil. It's a fantastic help for your skin and your hair. It has antimicrobial properties that can help combat skin blemishes and other skin issues. Mix a drop or two with your favorite moisturizer or carrier oil, and then go ahead and apply it to your skin for a rejuvenating effect. Additionally, if you're looking to promote hair growth and maintain a healthy scalp, add a couple of drops to your shampoo or create a DIY hair mask. Cedarwood oil can be a game changer for your beauty routine. And you can check out my essential oil videos for those hair recipes or essential oils for skin if you're looking for those types of benefits. And there you have it, 4 fantastic ways to incorporate cedarwood essential oil into your daily life. Whether you're seeking relaxation, improving your skin and hair, or enhancing your emotional health, cedarwood oil has got you covered. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your favorite ways to use cedarwood essential oil down below in the comments.